Chairman Madam ke Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Shrikant M Vaidya, uloong ni kisamla puli ke National Institute of Technology Meghalaya, bekemla satya menteri ke nu ka kam khlem ke jingiatrei lang hapo ke kynhun ni ke teamwork, bat ke jingla ban le ni possibility ke day ke babam jukun, bat ong ru ba ka yo ka kon hai India kala kiu bat day ban shim kabu ya ke ni. Uloong ye kisamla puli meminta melayo kan kekerdan umla ban tepat hadian sabu snem syakanu kekerdan ken poi. Uloong ba jingyo kerdan jengki minta kadena kadau jengka NIT. Uloong ba day ban long ki basyanya tang ke jingnang jing start. Uloong ke NIT kalong kum usembai bat minta ke syong haki ban phu ban he ban san. Ya kani uloong haka program jing pen ko buram ka bakhat ar ka annual convocation hasora campus Meghalaya bat haka ni ka program baro ki bala syapan ko buram ki long arspa san phongun ki bakentum naga kerdan puli BTech sispa san phulaingun MTech arpasaungun MSc lai penrungun PhD lai penjongun ki samla puli basyapan ko buram ki long naga subject puli Civil Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Electronic and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Chemistry, Mathematics, Physics, Humanities, and Social Science. Hakani ka program na yoru ka jingkran usembot kongsan Professor Dhirendra Nath Buragohin, Founder, Director, and Emeritus Professor IIT Guwahati layo ka jingkran no Chairperson Board of Governor NITM Usinil Alak ubade President of Convocation balaiti yeki sunnan bat kusnam the Chairman Senate Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta ubalong Director ubala aya ka kai photrai kam jong ka NIT Meghalaya nang tala dan ka jing IT ki medal ka jingshim smai ki bela pendap degree bat ki be ukongsan ulasam kusnam ya ki sangun ki bela yo ya ka gold medalist bakentup ya ka president gold medalist chairperson gold medalist bat ka institute gold medalist kat bau sembot kongsan ulasam ya ki institute silver medalist ki badan kumbash phongun alor ki be pat ki program.
Prasant Kumar Mohanty,
very serious. I don't know what happened in the rehearsal, whatever they did. It's your day. The whole function is for you guys, okay? So please have a smile on your face, have some clapping whenever it happens. But it's your day, it's your function for you, not for us. I hope I made my point clear. So let me share my journey, how it started from 1986 from Gujarat Refinery right to the boardroom of Indian Oil. Now, Indian Oil, as you are well aware, is one of the largest organizations in the country. We have a turnover of 9 lakh crores, one of the biggest in the country. In fact, the biggest in the country. And this journey of mine started in the control room of Gujarat Refinery. I was a chemical engineer. And that's when I realized the first lessons of life that you can't do anything alone. It is only the team which takes you forward. And teamwork is everything. Whatever you do in your life, I mean, you have to be the team. And unless the whole team propels forward, you cannot move ahead alone. So let that be the first gospel truth that you all should have. However good you are, however smart you are, you always require a team to take you forward in life. And that's how the whole journey started. Now, when I became chairman in 2020, that was the time of COVID. And during COVID, I think you must be well aware that most of the organizations went from work from home. But being in the energy sector, we didn't have the luxury of going to work from home because we have to supply. We are a manufacturing company. We have to supply the fuel, we have to supply the petrol, diesel, etc. And I am very proud to say that during that worst of times, 2020, the entire Indian oil fraternity, that is over 5 lakh people. When I say 5 lakh, it is the 30,000 employees, then the pump attendants, the LPG delivery people, all of them, they worked tirelessly so that the entire fuel system of the country was intact. You can just imagine the country was going through a medical emergency as COVID. Had there been a fuel crisis, this country would have collapsed. But I'm very proud to say that all of us, they rose. And one more lesson in life is, it's very easy to do a job personally, selfie. But to get a team to do it is the single biggest challenge you have in life. You have to make the team work with you. And during COVID, one very important fact I think I can share with you is, normally Indian Oil delivers about 24 lakh LPG cylinders per day, 24 lakhs. During COVID, I think everybody was at home, everybody was eating new dishes, they were trying out new dishes, Swiggy and Zomato were down, and no hotels were open. So the LPG consumption went up to 35 lakh cylinders a day. And then we did it, effortlessly. I'm sure none of you ever read any headline that there is a crisis of LPG or petrol or diesel. So that was one flip side that we got from other things were falling, the demand was falling, the demand for LPG was growing. I think you also must have tried out some new dishes because this is a 2021 batch. So 2020, I'm sure you must be at home trying out many different things.